everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be planning for the week of February 19th to February 25th. This week we'll be using a kit from Thatcher. I believe that this kit was titled Ballerina. Well, her spread is not really a kit. Her spread doesn't really come with everything that you need to do a full plan. I'll be using everything basically on this page. I'm not sure if I'll use all of these boxes, but I'll be using everything on this page, as well as pulling from old stickers and leftovers that I have to get everything else that I need, like for instance sidebar stickers and stuff like that. And I think I might stick to this bottom washi, or I might choose something else. Also, the washies that I'll be incorporating in this week's spread will be this blue and silver glitter washi, and then this blue star and blue and pink stripe washi. So let's just go ahead and get this plan started. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and get this video started the right way. And on this part we're just gonna go ahead and put down our bottom washi. To be honest, I really did not want to use these bottom washis that the spread came with, because I didn't personally think that they were cute, but you know, to each his own. I really couldn't find anything in my collection that would go well with this kit. Probably I could, probably I really couldn't, but I did go ahead and decide to use this one. Again, I'm fairly new to the whole planner world, so I don't have that many, that many washis in my collection. So I did go ahead and use what I had, and that was what came in the spread. Now I'm going to go ahead and plan out where I'm going to put these full boxes. I feel like putting down the full boxes is the hardest part, because the full boxes can make or break your plan, as well as those checklists. I feel like the full boxes and the flag checklist, or the heart checklist, the ombre heart checklist, I feel like those can make or break your spread. So I do try to, kind of plan out exactly where I put them. So now what I'm doing is I'm going to go ahead and write down where I put everything from memory, because I do have a bad memory. I really hate to forget where I put everything. So I'm just going to go ahead and glue down everything. Did really give me a hard time, because it just wouldn't go down properly, so I had to keep taking it up and put it back down. I am actually using my X-Acto knife to take up my actual stickers. That's what I'm gonna call them, because that's what they turn into when I glue it on a page, to take off my stickers, and that's sometimes a pain, because sometimes it goes through the page. So now we're gonna go ahead and work on our sidebar. When I first started, I was gonna put it here, and I wanted to try out the whole card thing, because I see a lot of other YouTubers using the card, and yeah, the card was an epic fail for me. So yep, that was definitely an epic fail. So I did have to go back to my normal scissors style. So now I am putting down some glitter tape to basically give the the sidebar a little bit more spunk, a little more spice, a little more flavor. That's why I'm putting down that silver washi on the side. And I feel like when I was putting down the silver washi, glue and paper works just fine. But when I was putting down like the recollection sticker, like this sticker right here, I did get from another kit, from Planner One Love, and I put it on sticker paper and I cut it out myself. I cut the stickers, and then now this sticker is from the Recollection sticker book, and oh my gosh, it was so hard to put on the actual glitter washi. I felt like it was such a pain because it kept lifting up. And you guys, at this point, I think glossy stickers are the worst. I really can't wait to finish using that Recollections book and never use it again. I feel like the Mambi stickers are that nice matte, and it's easy to use on anything. Like, I can write on it easily. I don't have to use a Sharpie pen to write on that. The Mambi book just has those nice, smooth feeling stickers, and I love it. I'm a huge Recollections lover. I just won't be using this specific Recollections book anymore. Where I got this from, I have seen Recollections with matte stickers, and that's what I'm gonna do. The little bean sticker is actually from, well, it's not a bean, it's the little sandwiches. I believe they're called macaroons, and I put that right beside because I did pencil in the word meals, because I've decided to stop putting my meals on every single day of the week because I feel like it is taking up space, and now I am starting to get a little bit more busy. Before, when I started planning, I was just basically a housewife. I would stay home, wouldn't do much, just cook, clean, and if anything, go out to the grocery store and, you know, a lot of other things. I don't have any kids, so I mean, I'm not over the top busy all the time, so I didn't really need to put a lot of stuff on the sidebar. I didn't really need to put a lot throughout the week, so I actually use the little meal icon on every day of the week to take up space. But now I'm getting a little busy. As you guys can see from the last video, I am starting to work at a flower shop, just something part-time, and I can't track stuff like that anymore. I am busy now due to that. Also, you guys, I did put down another one of my old kits with the vitamins, the habit tracker I put down to track my vitamins. Also, I realized that I have been spending a lot of money lately, so I'm trying to track my spending. I'm going to see how much money I spend per week. And also, I just put down a cute little quote from the Recollection sticker collection that just says, "Just be you." Now I'm putting down the date covers at the top. I love Victoria Thatcher's kits for the main reason that her kits come with date covers. If Planner One Love kits came with date covers, I don't think I would be able to use any other kits. I would still use my Victoria Thatcher, but I feel like Planner One Love kits come with everything that I need to plan. The only thing that her kits don't come with, which I really don't mind because I have a lot of stickers, is it doesn't come with like meal icons or, you know, like busy work, adulting type of icons. So that's what kind of, but if she has some date covers, I would definitely be there. So I did go ahead and hand pencil in those dates. I personally like penciling my dates myself because I think that my handwriting is cute when it comes to numbers. I don't need anyone's opinion. For me, it's beautiful. So on Monday, I did go ahead and put down that I put down the tax day sticker. I really didn't want to write in do my taxes, and I saw this tax day sticker in the Mambi book, and I knew that I would never put the sticker down for actual tax day. So I did go ahead and use that to indicate that I'll be doing my taxes on Monday. Also, I will be getting my nails done. I want to thank everyone who complimented me on my nails in the Valentine's Day video. You guys, trust me, hopefully I'll be able to get my nails as cute as I did this week. I always do that one glitter nail, so I guess that's what you guys like. Whenever me and my husband go Pokemon hunting, the other ladies there that do play Pokemon, they're always complimenting me on my nails, and sometimes they compliment me on my nails on the day that I actually think that my nails doesn't look good, and I wonder, but Okay, I'll take it. Then after my nail appointment, I do have my chiropractor appointment that day, and I put down one of my favorite shows, Love and Hip Hop. For some reason, I just love the drama of Love and Hip Hop. I don't know why. Then I did put down a little leftover to-do sticker, and I basically chopped up a flag checklist to make it just 3, as you guys can see at the bottom. I did have to cut through the third heart to make it look like a flag, and then I put down that I had to job hunt and work at the flower shop. For some reason now, you guys, I've been a housewife for a while, and now I just feel like it's time for me to actually go out and, you know, actually achieve my dreams now. So I have been job hunting, as you guys can see on my couple other plans that I have been job hunting. It's not like I can't find a job, I'm just looking for my perfect job. So now, you guys, I did at the top for Tuesday, I put down to do again to job hunt. And then at the bottom here, I found these cute stickers. I'm not sure, I can't remember exactly where I got this from. It's either from Victoria Thatcher, or I sometimes go onto Plan Pixels. I believe that's where I might have gotten that, or maybe Victoria Thatcher. These are just the ones that I usually use. So on Wednesday now, I do have another chiropractor appointment. So I did go ahead and write that in. That appointment label is from the Recollections sticker book, the one that comes with nothing but glossy stickers. Then I did use the little Ballerina slipper box from this spread to mark that I have to post on Instagram on Wednesday, so I can show you guys my first half of my spread after I pencil everything in. And one of my favorite shows, Black Ink, I watch that every Wednesday. Every time the season finishes, I can't wait until another one. And yeah, so then I go into doing the weekend banner, because I really did not notice that I didn't put in my weekend banner. So I am putting down some washi that I cut into making to flags, and I am gonna go ahead and put those washi's down. At this point, I did decide that I'm going to go ahead and do big, small, big, small. You guys will understand what I mean by big, small, when I actually get down to the end of all the washi's. I decided to make it the one big one small one, and I would alternate between pink and blue design. Even though this tape with the snowflakes looks like a clear tape, it's actually a light blue. It's the same color as this big one. But since it has a silver foil on it, I feel like the silver foil takes up most of the space for that color. So these washi's that I am laying down, I did actually get from Michael's, and I really got them on sale. Now I'm just going to cut the top off of them. And you guys, when I was taking this off, I realized that I cut into my planner. Thank God I did not cut too deep, because I would have literally slipped through the pages. So now I'm going to go ahead and put down my weekend banner. I don't know about you guys, but this weekend planner, oh my god, I'm all over the place. This weekend banner is so beautiful. I absolutely love that weekend banner. Now, for Thursday, I did go ahead and put down for RuPaul All-Star. I love all of RuPaul's drag races. I just love all of them. Then I did go ahead and put down this full box, this empty full box, with this little cute ballerina on it. And I put down that I have to go on Pinterest to look for new spreads to get ready to do a plan with me on Saturday, because I do film my plan with me on Saturdays. And I did put down a really cute sticker from the Mambi Tiny book, and I thought that it looked so cute that I did go ahead and put it on the other side. Now, I did put down another one of those boxes. At this point, I really did not realize that I was out of frame. So I am actually putting down to-do stickers, doing everything I can, and I still haven't realized that I was out of frame. But I soon do realize that I am out of frame. Okay, guys, so I do have a chiropractor appointment that same day on Friday at 12 p.m. So I did go ahead and scribble that in. Then I realized that I have so much that I can put in the small space, so I'd rather not put that. So I did go ahead and put it at the top, and this is when I actually realized that I'm out of frame. And then the full boxes were starting to peel up, so I did have to go ahead and apply some more glue. As I stated before, I do use glue on my kit, well, my spread for the week. And then I did go ahead and again Friday I put down that I had to look for spreads just in case I didn't find anything Thursday. I normally like to confirm, even if I do find something Thursday, I do like to confirm that I still like it by Friday to use it on Saturday. So you guys, I forgot to tell you guys a TV show that I did scribble in on Friday. I do watch the Rap Game. I am all the way rooting for this time for the Rap Game. What's the kid's name? You guys, I just literally had a brain fart. I will definitely come back to that. But I also have a Comcast bill due that Friday. And then now for Saturday, I put that I have to film and edit my plan with me. I really don't do a lot on Saturdays, so that's basically what I put down. It's just to film and edit. So now that we're on to Sunday, I believe that Sunday is one of my busiest days because that's when I actually get my newspapers for the coupons. And oh, that's why I believe it's gonna win the Rap Game, you guys. I think Street Bud, that's the little boy's name, Street Bud, I think that he's the one who's going to win this season of the Rap Game. And if Street Bud does not win, I think it's gonna be Little Bree. That's who I think is going to win the Rap Game this time. So now, going back to Sunday, I put down that I have to buy a newspaper and then organize. When I put Q, I mean organize coupons. And then I'm going to post on IG what my final spread looks like for the entire week. And also, you guys, I did put down a church sticker because I do go to church on Sundays. I actually didn't go to church this Sunday because I record on Saturday, so I didn't get to go to church this week. And I did put down that I am going Pokemon hunting, so I put down the little bike sticker from the Recollections planner. And I put that I also have my light bill due. On Friday, you guys, I did skip over that I have my Comcast bill due, and I changed that sticker. And then at the top, I put that I would publish my plan with me, which is actually today. I'm actually doing this voiceover today on Sunday. So now on Thursday, Thursday, I forgot that I had to do some housework. I did later on during the week off camera, today, not during the week. Today, I actually took off that actual sticker and put some white on under it. And here you go, you guys. This is my full spread for this week, and I want to thank you guys for watching my video, and you have a great week. Bye.